I love potatoes in any form, but there's something so satisfying about potato wedges loaded with my favorite toppings. With the Ninja Smart Lid and its steam crisp technology, I can steam and crisp my food at the same time. This means I get super fluffy potatoes on the inside with the delicious crisp on the outside without the fear of overcooking. To start, cut 1.5 pounds of russet potatoes into 1-inch wedges and soak in salted water for 30 minutes. Then strain and pat dry. Grab a bowl and toss the dried potato wedges with 1 tablespoon of canola oil and 1 teaspoon of salt so that they're fully coated. Next, add half a cup of water to the pot and transfer the wedges to the Ninja Cooking Crisp basket and place the basket in the pot. Close the lid and move the Smart Lid slider to Steam Crisp. Select Steam and Crisp. Set the temperature to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and set the time to 23 minutes. Then, select Start Stop and the Ninja Smart Lid will begin cooking. The control panel will say preheat on the display for approximately 20 minutes while the unit steams. When the timer reads 12 minutes, open the lid to toss the potato wedges. Close the lid to continue cooking. With 5 minutes remaining, open the lid and add your favorite cheese. Close the lid to finish cooking until the cheese is nice and melted. When the cooking is complete, carefully remove the basket and transfer the potato wedges to a plate. I like to top mine with a few dollops of sour cream, bacon bits, and scallions, but you can add any toppings you'd like. Let's dig in. To find this recipe and more meal inspiration, visit ninjatestkitchen.com.